The best evidence really is in the palm of one's hand. Now, you hear a lot, oftentimes, attorneys talk about the 5 different things or 10 different things that you should do after an accident. Well, this isn't the old days. A lot of this stuff is antiquated. We need to focus on modern times, right? And what does everybody have in their hands after an accident or nearby? It's their cell phone. I mean, everybody has a cell phone now. So, what I like to tell my clients, and God forbid they get into an accident, but if you ever do, and of course you're not incapacitated and can't actually use your cell phone, but start recording. The best evidence truly is in your hands. You can record what just happened. You could step out of your vehicle and record the damage done to your vehicle, the damage done to the other party's vehicle. You can get that first initial meeting with the other party that caused the accident on camera. What happens most of the time? Parties that are negligent, parties that are at fault for the accident, they will say anything and everything at the time of the accident, right? They will say, "Oh, I'm sorry. It was my fault. I didn't see you coming. Are you okay? I see that you're injured. Is there anything I can do?" All these things are gold if you can capture them, and then we can use them later on. Now, oftentimes insurance companies will pay thousands of dollars to have experts, accident reconstruction, biomechanic experts, to come back and recreate the scene of the accident. They'll recreate where the skid marks were. They'll recreate the power, the damage to the vehicle, and tell you, look, this is the way it happened. It could have only happened this way, or it couldn't have happened the way you're saying. So this helps with refuting that testimony. This helps with telling the other side, look, I have the evidence here in my hands. I have a video of what happened right after the accident. Some of the other benefits in having the video is you can actually have witness testimony on video. Independent witnesses telling you that it wasn't your fault, that it was the other guy's fault. Independent witnesses telling you, hey, this guy ran the red light, or whatever it may be, will give you the evidence you need to win your case later. Sometimes police officers will even allow you to tape them. Now, they might not like the camera in their face and might tell you to turn it off after a couple minutes, but if you have a police officer at the scene of the accident, then when you have a police report later, you can identify a face with the actual report. Oftentimes, that gets lost. Oftentimes, the police officer that took down the report isn't the police officer that shows up to court. So it's really good to have an actual police officer relay that, hey, yes, it was the other guy's fault. So in summation, a video right after the accident can have a tremendous effect on your case. And if you truly are not at fault for this accident, it is actually the best evidence you could have to win your case.